The Pride Pack are always happy from what I've seen and what I've known. You know what I mean? So if you're happy to be at Pride JA 2017 opening ceremony, make some noise, everybody! Let's go! Let's go!
Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about mounting pressures from the US over anti-gay laws in Jamaica. They have it to say that Jamaica is one of the most homophobic Caribbean countries ever, when in truth and in fact, that's quite the opposite. Although Iran is the main target, Jamaica could be among 71 countries that will come under increasing pressure from the Trump administration over their anti-gay stance. According to international media reports, while gays and lesbians face the risk of a death sentence in countries like Iran, an arch enemy of the United States, and Saudi Arabia, one of its closest allies, Jamaica is among several Caribbean countries where men who have sex with men risk prison time. There are several ongoing challenges in the Jamaica's court that have been brought by gay rights activists pushing for a repeal of the country's buggery laws. However, there has also been vigorous pushback from the church and some activist groups. Opinion polls usually show that majority of Jamaicans are against gay sex. According to Daily Mail newspaper, the administration of the United States President Donald Trump will soon launch an initiative to eliminate laws worldwide that criminalize homosexual activities. Although being gay or having gay sexual contact is punishable in more than 1/3 of the world's country, human rights violations in Iran are the administration's main focus, the article said. There are 71 countries that criminalize homosexuality and 8 that will put you to death for being gay, said Richard Garnell, the U.S. ambassador to Germany, according to DailyMail.com. Grinnell added that this is outrageous. The West must use its collective leverage to end this abuse. The ambassador is the Trump administration's most high-profile, openly gay official. Separately, a White House official reported that Trump deserves credit for green-lighting an effort that will ruffle feathers abroad. But the article said it was unclear how Trump administration would distinguish between Iran and country it is trying to isolate, and Saudi Arabia, whose strategic importance to the White House is so significant that the Crown Prince's role in the grisly death of journalist Jamal Khashoggi last year has not drawn sanction or significant rebuke. And I remember that story being published in the media, and they were saying that how he just disappeared and they didn't know what happened to him, but come to find out the prince actually killed the journalist. Morocco too could be problematic. The North African nation trades ties with the US stands as America's longest such unbroken relationship, and the two countries share counterterrorism information focused on Islamic groups in Mali, Algeria, and Libya. Grinnell 52 has focused largely on Iran. He said this month that Iran's horrific actions are on par with the brutality and savagery regularly demonstrated by the once powerful Islamic terrorist army. He told Fox News Channel that he favored aggressive coordination with our European allies to put pressure on Middle Eastern nations and others with anti-gay laws. Meanwhile, A British government document released by WikiLeaks indicates that the UK believes Iran has executed between 4,000 and 6,000 gays and lesbians since 1979 Islamic Revolution, the Daily Mail said. Islamic Nation publicly hanged 31-year-old man last month for violating a law against same-sex intercourse. Saudi Arabia has also morality codes enforced by Sharia courts that specifically criminalize homosexual contact. According to International Lesbian, Gay, Bisexual, Trans and Intersex Association, sex acts between homosexuals are considered crimes in about 70 countries. 27 of the nation have laws that apply only to gay men. Below are the countries where gay sex is illegal. The ones in bold are where gays are sometimes put to death. So they have African country, Asian countries, the Americas, which include Antigua and Barbuda, Barbados, Dominica, Grenada, Guyana, Jamaica, St. Kitts and Nevis, St. Lucia, St. Vincent, and the Grenadines. And that's why they're saying that Jamaica is going to be one of the targets for this new initiative that they're pushing. Quite honestly, if they really want to push this agenda and this initiative, I feel like it could cause a lot of rift, not only with Jamaica, but a lot of the other countries that have their beliefs as far as homosexuality is concerned. And honestly, I don't feel like Jamaica is anti-gay as much as people in the media try to push that narrative. They just had a LGBTQ parade in Jamaica, and they had their parade and dance in the streets, and they lived their best life, and nobody messed with them, nobody troubled them, nobody send them death threats or any of that. So I don't understand why Jamaica is still being labeled as a homophobic nation, because there are a lot of politicians that are homosexuals. There are a lot of people in high places that are LGBTQ members. They may not put it out there like that, but the street talks and the street knows, and people talk and people know who they are and what their sexual preferences are. So if the Trump administration is going to put pressure on Jamaica and other countries for their beliefs as far as gay is concerned, I'm wondering what type of pressure they're going to be pushing on these countries. Are they going to stop the exportation of goods from those countries? Are they going to get certain things banned? Are they going to get the country sanctioned by the UN? Like, there is a possibility of things that can happen if they really try to push this initiative. And it's not only going to hurt Jamaica as a country, it's also going to hurt Jamaica's economic system, with which they're trying to build up, allegedly. I'm not sure if they're actually trying to build it up, because there's a lot of corruption that's going on as far as that is concerned. But what are your thoughts in the comment section? Do you think that it's right for another country to impose their beliefs on another country and pressure them into actually passing LGBTQ laws? An outsider is telling you how to run your country and what is acceptable and what's not. Comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. Do you think that Jamaica is as homophobic as the media and as people try to make it, or people try to make Jamaica to be? What are your thoughts on this? What are your thoughts on the Trump administration trying to do this to other countries? And like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.